How can you replace digital agencies with AI? In this video, I will explain you how artificial intelligence can replace digital agencies with better results at the same time cutting costs. I'm Luca, founder of Digital Coach, and I will try to explain step by step what you should do. In a previous video, I already explained you why you should replace your digital agencies with artificial intelligence. And there were main reasons, if you remember. The main reasons were about, first of all, results and quality standards, okay? Second reason is cost, cutting cost. The third reason is speed of delivery. The fourth reason is scalability of all the content that you can produce. And the fifth reason is the speed at which AI can learn about you, your activity, your customer, your products, and so on. Now let's move to the how-to. How can you replace effectively digital agencies with artificial intelligence? The first point that you have to consider is the fact that you need a basic, but a very basic knowledge of digital marketing, but you don't need to attend a course and knowing everything about digital marketing. Many entrepreneurs, they for example, they in the past they had the habits to study digital marketing also with us, but then they had to study too many subjects. They didn't have to study all time to study all those subjects. So the solution is not that one, because you as an entrepreneur, you don't have time. You don't even have so much motivation to learn the whole process of every area of digital marketing, SEO, then advertising, then landing page, and so on. So I mean, it's a different job. So you need really the summary of everything, and you don't need to be teach something. You need a process, a template, a checklist that you can implement easily. You or one of your collaborators can implement easily. So that's the focus. That's, for example, what we do in Digital Coach usually with companies. While with professionals who want to improve their skills, we teach them everything. With entrepreneurs, we are focused on giving them just the right processes, just the right checklist, just the right prompts. So this is the main focus, having the right process. The first thing is a basic digital marketing knowledge, but as I told you, the basic digital marketing processes, checklist, and templates. We usually provide, for example, a template to how to write a SEO optimized page, a template on how to write the right kind of sales page, a template on how to write a good promotional video, and so on. A template, checklist, a process in digital marketing. So that's better and easier to be applied than other things. Second thing that you need is checklist. You need checklist. For example, you need a SEO checklist to be followed. You need a social media checklist. You need a content marketing checklist. So easy processes that can be verified through the use of checklist. Then you need templates. As I told you, a template on how to write an amazing SEO blog content, a template on how to write an amazing sales page, a template on how to design the right kind of ads for your advertising, a template for how to write the main 10 email marketing automation emails that you want to send to your customers. So you need a template for everything, and templates are another solution to make your your effort easy and the use of AI very effective. Then you need some tools. With tools I mean that you need obviously softwares. ChatGPT is an example, but it's not the only one. There are plenty of them, different AI applications for different kind of goals. For example, there are some AI tools that works better on video, some AI tools that works better on visuals, some AI tools that works better on texts, some AI tools that works better on presentations. So there are different solutions for each kind of need. So you need a bunch of tools. They are very cheap, they are not so expensive, those tools, nothing compared to the cost of the digital agencies. You need those tools, and you need to to receive instructions on how to use those tools, even if they are very easy to be used. And finally, obviously, you need prompts, pre-made prompts that make your activity easy and guarantee you the optimal results coming from AI. So prompts are like a sequence of processes that you want AI to follow to develop the ideal content, the ideal content that you are asking AI to produce. So, for example, if you wanna write an amazing SEO article for your blog post, you don't just ask the AI just to write a blog content for your post on a subject, but you provide AI with probably from 12 to 15 different prompts who are a sequence, a process that you want AI to follow in order to have a very SEO optimized content. So that's the general idea. Now, if you want to know more about how to use artificial intelligence for your business and how to scale up, you can ask us for a free consultation. We'll be happy to have a one-to-one session with you and explaining you how AI can change your business and how we can eventually help you to implement AI in your company through our done with you services, not courses, not even agency services, but something between, a solution where we empower you to use AI to internalize AI in your company.